Ever find yourself stuck in endless analysis, pondering situations without taking action? If replaying conversations in your mind is a common ritual, you might be an overthinker. While it's natural to delve into deep thought occasionally, chronic overthinking hampers problem solving. Discover 6 effective strategies to break free from overthinking and re-engage with the present moment. Number 1. Maintain your focus on goals. Overthinking often leads to getting entangled in minutiae. While briefly considering details can provide insights, it's essential to step back and grasp the bigger picture. For instance, if you're crushing on someone, analyzing every comment or facial expression may seem tempting. However, fixating on every interaction can obscure the true dynamics at play. Stay goal-oriented and prioritize understanding the broader context instead. Number 2. Distract yourself. Engage in an activity that brings joy and captivates your attention. When your thoughts spiral out of control, taking a break and doing something else can be incredibly effective. Whether it's coloring, solving puzzles, going for a walk, or exercising, pick something that lifts your spirits and takes your mind off your concerns. Prioritize activities that make you feel good and offer a welcome break from overthinking. Number 3. Open up to a friend. Expressing your thoughts verbally can aid in processing them. If you find it challenging to move beyond your thoughts, consider confiding in someone you trust deeply, such as a close family member or a friend. Share your concerns and articulate why these thoughts persist. Talking it out can provide valuable insights and emotional support. Number 4. View problems as challenges. Change your mindset from dwelling on obstacles to seeking solutions. Instead of endlessly replaying the details of a decision or fixating on potential pitfalls, reframe your thoughts. Concentrate on being proactive. Ask yourself how you can solve the problem or identify lessons that can contribute to your future growth. By adopting a problem-solving approach, you transform challenges into opportunities for learning and progress. Number 5. Uncover overthinking triggers. When you find yourself immersed in overthinking, take a pause and trace your thoughts back to their origin. Through consistent practice, you'll likely observe recurring patterns that lead to overthinking. Identifying these triggers enables you to recognize moments of vulnerability and intervene before overthinking takes hold. Empower yourself to break the cycle by understanding the root causes and proactively addressing them. Number 6. Seek professional support. If overthinking becomes overwhelming and challenging to manage on your own, consider reaching out to a therapist for assistance. Professional help can provide valuable insights, coping strategies, and a supportive environment to navigate the complexities of overthinking. A therapist can work with you to explore the underlying causes, develop coping mechanisms, and guide you towards a healthier mental outlook. Don't hesitate to prioritize your well-being by seeking the expertise of a mental health professional. Thank you for joining me in your ultimate guide to stop overthinking. Remember, breaking free from the cycle of overthinking is a journey, and it begins with small, intentional steps. Whether you're focusing on goals, distracting yourself with enjoyable activities, or seeking support from friends and professionals, you have the power to reclaim control over your thoughts.